Are you dreaming of a perfect smile but shocked by the price tag? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to talk about how you can get world-class all-in-4 dental implants in Mexico and save thousands of dollars in the process. But more importantly, we'll help you avoid common pitfalls and make smarter decisions about your dental care. Picture this, you're at your local dentist's office, excited about the prospect of all-in-4 implants, when suddenly you see the bill, $25,000 per arch or $55,000 for full mouth all-in-4 dental implants. These prices are enough to make anyone's jaw drop. But what if I told you there is a way you can get the same high-quality treatments and half the price? Now I know what you're thinking. Mexico, is it safe? Can I trust the quality? These are valid concerns, especially considering the common mistakes people make when seeking dental care abroad. Many fall into the trap of bargain hunting for the prices online, not realizing that ultra-low prices often mean cutting corners and less experienced dentists. Many people trust generic online reviews without realizing that up to 40% can be fake or focus on simpler procedures like fillings and crowns, not for all-in-4 implant surgeries. It's crucial to understand that all-in-4 dental implants are one of the most complex procedures in dentistry. We're talking about major oral surgery that requires extensive expertise and experience. But here's where many people go wrong. They head to Mexico without thoroughly researching their dentist's credentials. It's easy to be swayed by slick websites and basic online credentials. But here's the shocking truth. Any general dentist with just a weekend of training can claim all-in-4 expertise. Yes, that's right. Would you trust a weekend course graduate with such a critical procedure? There's also a common misconception that all-in-4 is always the best option. Well, in reality, it might not be the ideal solution for you. You deserve a dentist who prioritizes your unique needs, offering the most suitable full-mouth implant solution for you, not one who pushes a single convenient option, because that's the easiest or the most profitable for them. These common mistakes can result in costly revision surgeries, potentially doubling or tripling both your time and expenses, and might even lead to permanent damage to your health. That's where Deo Dental comes in. For the past 18 years, we've helped thousands of all-in-4 patients like you access affordable, world-class dental care with Mexico's top 5% of dentists. Our specialty is connecting you with the very best. Why? You get peace of mind knowing that you'll get that amazing smile transformation you desire without any issues and hassles. But we're more than just a referral service. You'll be assigned a dedicated professional advisor and advocate who will personally guide you through every step from your initial consultation to long after your treatment is completed. We require our partner dentists to give you a 5-year reliable guarantee. We make sure any issues are quickly resolved. Your advisor will follow up with the dentist to address any concerns. We're here to support you every step of the way. Imagine saving $15,000 to $30,000 just by crossing the border. Same world-class treatment, premium materials, and experienced specialists, all at a fraction of the US price. And with Deo Dental, you can rest assured knowing we've done all the heavy lifting for you. We've selected top implant specialists with credentials like US training, thousands of successful implant cases, modern advanced facilities, US level sterilization standards, those that are professors and speakers at all-in-4 conferences. So from your initial consultation to your final follow-up, we're there every step of the way. And the best part, our service is 100% free to you. Let me share a quick story from one of our clients.
My name is Durkin Harris, and I live in Florida from now. I had really bad teeth problems when I was younger, pretty much all my life. And then I was missing teeth for probably close to almost 3 years, and I thought, there's got to be something that I can do. And I came across Dr. Para. The first day that I was here, they had pulled the remaining teeth that I had out and then ended up putting the screw implants into my mouth. And then 2 weeks after that, I've got the that I have right now. Dr. Garcia, Dr. Ever, very, very happy. You have no idea. I've gone my whole life without a smile. Thank you.
So are you ready to transform your smile, save thousands, and make a life-changing decision about your dental care? Explore this page, sign up, or call us today for a free phone consultation. Your smile deserves the best. Don't let another day pass without taking that first step. With Deo Dental, your perfect, worry free smile is just a border crossing away.